up, guys? Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now today I'm not gonna be doing anything with this 240. We already got the intercooler piping done. You can see awesome welds, big one-piece welds. Thanks Blake, pretty much fabbed this whole thing up and it looks amazing. Now today what we're gonna be working on is the KAT 240. So this 240 right over here, pretty much what we got to do is bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch, seal everything off, top everything off with fluid, and see if it runs and drives, see if everything is placed the right way and then installed the right way. I mean, you really don't know. It can run, but it has to drive. That's really the main thing. So that's what we're gonna go start doing. So let's get started. So one cool thing about this 240 is it's gonna be our first manual vehicle on the channel. Holy shit. It was the M5. But yeah, one cool thing about this is this is gonna be our first manual car on the channel. So you can see here we got that 5-speed KA goodness, that first gear, second gear, third, all that goodness right there. All the gauges work on the dash. These little redundant gauges right here, I guess they're wired up for the old setup. These are like boost gauge and you got your oil pressure. These don't work currently. I don't know if I'm just gonna steal these from now, just kind of throw those on mine. I don't know. You know, he ain't even gonna know anyway. So, but yeah. This is gonna be pretty cool. We got that little NRG steering wheel right there too. I'm gonna put that right on here. However the shit goes, I don't know how to use it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna break his shit. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. Everything is pretty much buttoned up on the car. We got the brakes bled, we got the clutch bled. So pretty much at this point, we're gonna start it, see if it runs and drives, see if it moves, see if any weird noises happen. We'll be able to take it up and down the driveway and maybe on the streets if we're lucky. I know it's still kind of drizzling a little bit. Shouldn't be too bad. We don't have no wipers, we don't have any signals and shit like this. This is so illegal right now. But yeah, throwing the ZX wheels on it. These are gonna be kind of the jank wheels that we're gonna run right now until we actually get some legit wheels for it. I have some tires back there that we're gonna throw some 18s on this thing, but yep, let's see what happens. Oh shit, something broke. Yeah, it moves. God. Let me get some gas. Oh, it moves, dude. Hell yeah. Heck yeah, dude. The KAT runs and drives. Oh shit. Oh shit. The fucking trunk is jacked up, but back that shit up. Dude, it runs, bruh. Oh dude. Holy shit. Oh, it backfires too. Oh Jesus. It runs, it drives. Oh. Fire, dude. It fucking shoots flames. Oh shit, dude. Oh, there it goes. Oh, this is. Yeah, you gotta go up, yeah. Yeah, it travels all the time. Yeah, it's almost over to the top, man. Already getting steamy. You gonna rip it? There you go, good gas. Nice, I like that. We'll just coast it. Maybe turn around somewhere. Yeah. Good. Rip that shit, boy. Rip it. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, son. Holy crap, boy. This thing rips. Nice. There we go. Good. Let me see my temps. Oh, good. Temps perf. So, look at that fluid in it. What do you think about Jay? Gang, 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 gang. This shit was mint, bro. I felt like I was in Euro Truck Simulator. Hell yeah, son. I felt like I was in, what's it called? GTA. Hell yeah, dog. Ripping it. It's, turn it off? Oh, yeah. Cool. Good. Nice. Nice, dude. Shit fucking rips, bruh. Would you say today was a success?
Oh yeah, definitely. It's progress. Any progress is a success.
Dude, this is like the funnest day I ever had, like ever. Like, I don't know. Maybe my life is that boring because a little turbo KA 240 like brightens my life up.
Manual cars just that on.
Exactly. We should have been at a manual car on the channel, but it's just like, man, just riding that thing is like hilarious amount of fun. I can't just imagine what this thing is gonna be. So it's just, we'll get there when we get there. But yeah. This is Turbo's Garage. Hope you guys, we turned into Haggard Garage that quick, bro. RIP Haggard. We're the new Haggard over here, dude. We got the 240. We're taking over, bro. Oh, man. But you guys, like, favorite, subscribe. Turbo's Garage. Holla at your boy.